Hi, this is John with WTI, and I'm a practical and pragmatical guy. What it works in the easiest time without me making too many efforts in the kitchen, because my time sometimes is limited for cooking, is going to work for me. So, this is where this Goya Pico de Gallo sauce comes into place. I don't go that well with spicy food. So this is a mild size is a mild sauce that is gonna be easy on you. It has all your chopped tomatoes, onions, and sweet peppers, and the whole condiment that I would put into tacos. I would put it into burgers, and every single food that I would do, or every meal, I would top with this pico de gallo. So this is just perfect seasoning to perfect mild state. It's not gonna be too hot. It's not gonna be too soft, and you can just top anything with this. So if you're looking for a great sauce, this is it. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.